জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়
She will protect Dripto.
Now let's see who is going to protect her.
Durba, don't trouble her. She must be very tired.
Tired? Why is she tired, uncle?
She put in so much effort to stop the wedding, but nothing really worked. Oh my, I feel pity for this poor girl.
You are right. But the bigger disaster is she used to convince Deepu every time with her drama. But this time she couldn't do that. Deepu did not take her side.
Hey Nayan, did you notice how Dripto was looking at you so hatefully? It seemed like he felt nauseous to take your name. He was feeling nauseous. Nausea. Do you understand what nausea is? Oh, I forgot that you're basically an uncivilized, illiterate villager. Nausea means wanting to throw up. Feeling like...
Did you hear that? Dripto asked us to decorate the house with Jasmine's favorite flowers. What does that mean? That means Jasmine's choice is now Dripto's choice. Uncle, now what will become of her? What will you do now, Nayan?
No matter what you people do or how much you insult me, you can't dominate me. I have to talk to Jeet. I must get the policeman's number. I'll tell him if I can't learn about the flower test report, it will be a disaster. I beg of you. Please leave me. Let me go upstairs.
Will you go upstairs? Upstairs? Does your status allow you to go there? Your place is under the staircase. Everyone should do according to their capability. You will serve as a slave, as a slave. Go. Prepare the turmeric paste for Deepu. Go and grind the turmeric. Go.
I'll be back in a jiffy. I have some urgent work.
How did you even think that I'm going to allow you to go? Come. Come with me. Come. Come on. Grind the turmeric. Grind it, I say. This is nothing. You'll see how much am I going to trouble you.
Why are you so angry with me, Aunt Durba? What have I done?
How dare you ask Durba?
Let it be, Woody.
What are you saying? Why should I leave it?
She's absolutely correct. She's asking a valid question. Really? A person just came from abroad. Why would she be hostile to her suddenly? I will give her an answer. Do you know why I am so angry with you? Because you are the sign of my mother and my brother's dominance. They have forced you on Dripto. They have forced you on him. And I'm always against their habit of forcing their decision on others. Why don't I wear vermilion post-marriage? Why haven't I given birth to a baby? Who are they to impose these on me? This is my personal decision. I don't wear vermilion and I haven't given birth to a baby because I didn't want to. I will teach them a lesson by giving punishment to you. So that they never, never, ever force their decisions on others. You just grind the turmeric, okay? This will be your first step to handing your husband over to Jasmine. You will apply the turmeric paste to Dripto after grinding it. And then you are going to apply it to Jasmine, okay? Come, Deepu, come. Stand on this.
What is this, Sanjukta? You brought Dripto already for the turmeric ceremony, but the turmeric paste is not ready yet.
I have brought the turmeric paste. Come. Come here. Come.
Andurba, please leave me. I can't apply turmeric to Sir. Andurba.
I don't want to know what you can and what can't do, Nayan. You will have to apply this turmeric to Deepu. Here, hold it.
What is this? There are so many married women here. A maid will apply turmeric to Deepu.
This is not right, Sanjukta.
Excuse me, this is our family matter. Let us decide what is right and what is not.
Actually, we see everyone equally in our family. We don't judge them as small or big. We give equal respect to everyone. That's why we are giving this maid this honor. We are letting her apply the turmeric to Deepu to show that respect. If she applies turmeric to Deepu, then he will have a happy life with her blessings, right?
Sanjukta did not say anything wrong.
True. We never thought like this. No, Sanjukta. You have done a right thing. They also deserve respect. If everybody could think like you, there would never be any problem. Let her apply turmeric to Deepu.
You pretended to be great at this chance.
Come here. I don't want to hear anything. Why won't you go to the venue? Isn't Brother Dripto like a son to you? Then why won't you participate in the ceremony?
It doesn't matter if I think like this. Sanjukta and Durba don't consider me as a human being. You will see they will insult me with some excuse. I don't feel like going in front of them. I'm fine here. I'll always pray for Deepu's well-being from afar.
I know that, Aunt. But it's one of your rights to participate in this ceremony. And you only say that one should not let go of their rights.
I said that. And I know my rights. That is why I went to feed Deepu for ritual. You know, Rangana, Deepu's mother, that is Kalpana, doesn't want this wedding, and I've got the proof of it. Nayan was right. That is why I don't want to be a part of this wedding. And there's one more reason. My addiction. Once Sanjukta got me addicted, to alcohol by pretending to be my well-wisher. But she's the one who insults me the most. You go. Go.
The ceremony has begun, Aunt. And Aunt Durba dragged my friend there. Won't you go there even for her sake?
What do you mean by she dragged her?
Yes. Aunt Durba forcefully dragged her there so that she can apply turmeric to Dripto. She's hurt, trust me. She's dying from within. I feel like shooting them to death. Let's go and do something. Let's save Nayan. I can't see her in pain. Let's go, Aunt Pratima. We can't let my friend be in such pain. We have to save her. Come, hurry up.
Come on, Nan. Apply the turmeric to Dripto. You got such a big opportunity. Don't lose it. Despite being a maid servant, you are getting a chance to apply turmeric to your master. It's a big deal. You are really fortunate. Oh no, why are you wasting time by standing idle?
Lourdes. Oh, Lourdes. I don't have any desires. I haven't committed a crime knowingly. And why are you giving me such a big punishment? How many more tests do I have to go through?
What are you thinking, Nan? Didn't I tell you that you will lose Deepu step by step? Come on, apply the turmeric. After that, you'll have to apply that paste to Jasmine also. Come on.
Have you come here to create obstacles? You have come to stop Nayan from applying turmeric to Deepu, right? It's useless, Pratima. It's completely useless because I have told them a while back that we have a lot of respect for the housemates that work in our family, and hence this arrangement. So if you try to stop it now, you can imagine what's going to happen. You can't do anything. They will just ignore whatever you say. I have become really great in their eyes, Pratima. Let alone stop it. You will get insulted in return.
I knew you were a bad person, Sanchukta. But I couldn't understand you were so bad, Sanchukta. Shame on you.
Oh, really? All right then. The way I'm teaching Nayan, I will teach you too how bad I am. Hey everybody! Make the auspicious sound. Apply turmeric on him, Nayan.
Are you so hurt, Nayan? Your eyes are wet. Can you feel that you've lost me already? This is your punishment for lying. And the bigger punishment is for upholding an innocent person like Jasmine as a murderer. If you had said that you couldn't find evidence, I wouldn't have been so hurt. That way I'm hurt because you were blaming her to save your incompetence.
I can do anything to save you, sir. Anything. I can go to any extent. I can stoop as low as possible.
You've stooped too low, Nayan. A little too low. Disgusting. The thought of you touching me is pathetic.
What's wrong, Deepu?
I won't accept turmeric from her, Mom.
Did you see that, Aunt? Brother Dripto saved my friend at last.
Did Deepu do that to save Nayan? I don't think so. Then why is there so much anger and hatred in his expression?
What happened, Deepu? Why won't you accept turmeric from her hand?
Don't demand answers for every why. I said I wouldn't accept turmeric from her. And that is final. And nobody will force me for this. Ask her to leave from here, Mom. And that's right away. I can't stand her. I just cannot stand this woman.
Nayan? Nayan?